Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to MN Unfiltered. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we are going to have a candid conversation regarding SCIT's interview experience with Rushikesh More. He has cracked SCIT Pune, and we'll ask him regarding how he cracked and what kind of nuances that he followed. So Rushikesh, welcome back to our channel. Please let us know about your profile so that the people will got to know and they relate their profile with your profile.
Yeah, sure, Akash. Thank you so much for this opportunity, Akash. And coming to my profile, I have my profile like I have 868 profile where I have done my engineering in computer science, and then I started working with Infosys, and almost I worked with the I worked for 2 years with Infosys, and after that I was in the teaching field, and along with that I was preparing for my MBA entrance exams.
Okay. So Rushikesh, how do you got to know about SCIT college first? Because this is the college which is quite famous for IT and business management, right? And if I look at as a Symbiosis brand, right, they have almost legacy of 40 years. So SCIT is one of the niche college which comes for the people who wanted to get into project management, product management, consulting, data science roles, right? So how do you got to know about it?
Okay. So, like when I was working with Infosys, I was my office is near to SCIT. So I got to know about SCIT when I was traveling to office as well. And when comes to the management role, like when I was working on the backend development in Infosys, so I wanted to transition my roles from the backend development to completely management side roles, or the roles that will give me exposure to work with the multiple peoples and client facing roles. So I just decided to let's have change, and let's consider SCIT as well, as this will give me the aligned option with my career path.
Okay, that's quite interesting, Rushikesh. Yeah. So Rishikesh, please let us know about the interview and GE process for Symbiosis Institute of Technology and Management.
Yes. So in SCIT, there are two programs. So I applied for ITBM program, and
Hmm.
in their GPI process, they showed us the one video on the solar panel and some completely IoT enabled home. It went up to 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, they showed us the video, and surprisingly, in SCIT interview, there were like 16 people in one group for the group discussion. So I already knew that that will be the like fighting for the points.
Yeah.
And okay, so on that 5 minutes video, where like I had my eye on the clock, like once that 5 minutes will over, I will start so that I will get noticed. So like when it started, I started and another one girl started. So obviously in the first mean, I stopped discussing about that, and the girl took over, and in between I just got two opportunities to make my entries, and in the end the the interviewer also came in, and they decided to give opportunity to each and everyone who didn't talk, like almost 6 to 7 people didn't talk in that GE. So they gave opportunity, and I was carefully listening all those topics, and in the surprisingly he told me that, Rushikesh, now you conclude all the points. So I just did concluded that points, and after the GE, again same thing, that all the GE panelists came to interview as well. There was one female and one male, and first it started with the ma'am, and ma'am started asking, so you are working in Infosys. So tell me about what technology on you are working. So I told that I was working in Java framework, Java Spring Boot, and also some cloud technologies, AWS, Azure, everything. So she was like, what work you did in the cloud and everything. So I told that I was responsible for storage and database management in the cloud. And again the detailed discussion on the work experience about 2 to 3 minutes. She asked me almost every detailed questions on the my Spring Boot framework as well. And then she said that I'm done with that, and then moved to the sir started asking me about the economics questions. Like there were like Trump election was the like most recent thing in that period. So started asking, what how will you affect it IT industry? What do you think about the things happening in the IT industry? Why does it is going down? Do you think that survival will be the difficult? These kind of questions were from the sir. again, he came to the world affairs, like other than the economics part, what is happening, what kind of wars happening, are you aware about these wars? And another question was like, can you tell me like how do you manage your finances as well? So how, what do you know in the finance things? So he touched like almost multiple areas of the interviews, and it went like really well. I just explained everything to them.
Yeah. So Rushikesh, I just wanted to know that since you applied for SCIT, right? You know, I've seen the pattern of in 2021, 22, 23, one of the alum, they'll call it out for the interviews, and there will be one professor from the college itself which looks down, right? So, how have you prepared for this SCIT? You know, since you are from technical background, it's going to be very easy for you to go for that interview. But let's say if I'm a non-engineer, so how should I prepare for this SCIT? You know, what are the skill set I should mention in my CV, or what are the certification I should do, to prepare better for SCIT?
Okay, so like coming from the technical background, it was easy for me. But those who are not coming from the technical background, I will suggest that just come with the basics of IT and just go through the courseware that is shown on the SCIT website. Like there was one question as well, one question from the ma'am as well. Like, have you seen the website? Have you seen the courses what we offer to you? What are the areas that you see as the already ticked areas? Like you know these things, so just interview went on that parts, like how is the curriculum? SCIT has very niche curriculum in the IT sector. So they like you should have some basic knowledge about how IT industry work, how projects work, and you should learn about some databases and everything. So that will be much easier for cracking the interview and going discussion in the IT field. Otherwise, it will went into the like multiple scenarios like finance or any other world affair interviews.
Yeah, and I wanted to ask you one question. In the world of the AI, data, machine learning, right? And SCIT is a quite college when it comes to technology, right? So I just wanted to know that, do the students should prepare for SDLC, software development life cycle, software testing life cycle, the core of IT, which is taught to the students at the final year of their BTech.
Yes, 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 definitely. Like they should be aware about the agile processes and how does the these processes work. How does this project gets done in the IT industry? Like interviewer will definitely ask you if you don't have any work ex in IT, at least you should have some knowledge in the IT. Like how does projects are driven? If you don't have that idea, then that might not be good for the like SCIT interview. And if you have some knowledge, like whatever the technical advancements are happening, you know the basics, why AI is taking over, which kind of jobs are taking over, like how AI is performing, how it will affect. That kind of questions is also going to help us.
Yeah. Guys, if you are preparing for SCIT, you should have a strong hold on technology. If you're non-technical, non-engineering background, then try to read it out through the notebooks as well as industry publication which are available there. So, Rushikesh, what's your last piece of advice to the people who are watching you and who are gonna, see you as a SCIT guy in the upcoming days? So, what's your thought on this?
Okay. So like those who are aiming to get into the SCIT, like definitely maximum people will be from the technical background. So if you feel that you want a techno managerial roles and diversify your profile with some other industries as well. If you feel that you are stuck in the some back end development role or the front end development and you want some other roles as well, so you can look for SCIT. And as a like for advice, who those want to get into the techno management, definitely SCIT will be the better place to land and learn everything and like own our skills.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Rishikesh, for connecting with us and sharing your knowledge. I hope this entire experience that you shared with us will definitely help the upcoming aspirants, and they will definitely join you. I'll share your LinkedIn ID so that they'll connect you professionally, and it will be very handy for you to work it out, right? Again, thank you so much for connecting with us.
Thank you so much, Akash. I will definitely love to connect with everyone. Thank you.